Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Maximize savings and control DIY transmission fluid change guide. Are you considering changing the transmission fluid in your car yourself? Save time and money by learning how to tackle this essential maintenance task. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and manageable. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting to get hands-on with car maintenance, changing transmission fluid is a valuable skill to have. Join us as we dive into the world of DIY auto care and empower yourself to take control of your vehicle's maintenance needs. Benefits of changing transmission fluid yourself. Changing your transmission fluid yourself offers various advantages that go beyond just cost savings. Let's delve into why taking on this task can be beneficial for both your car and your wallet. Cost savings. When you opt to change your transmission fluid yourself, you can save a significant amount of money compared to going to a professional mechanic. The average cost of a professional transmission fluid change can range from $100 to $250, depending on your location and the type of vehicle you own. By undertaking this task on your own, you can cut down on these expenses and allocate your savings elsewhere. Convenience and time efficiency. Taking charge of changing your transmission fluid not only saves you money but also time. Visiting a mechanic for this service can be a time-consuming process involving scheduling an appointment, traveling to the shop, and waiting for the work to be completed. By DIYing this task, you have the convenience of working on your schedule and can finish the job more efficiently without any unnecessary delays. Customization and control. Another benefit of changing transmission fluid yourself is the ability to customize the process to suit your specific preferences. When you visit a mechanic, you may not have control over the type of fluid they use in your vehicle. However, by doing it yourself, you can select the specific transmission fluid that meets your car's requirements and your personal preferences. This level of customization ensures that your vehicle receives the best care tailored to its needs. Embark on the journey of changing your transmission fluid yourself and reap the benefits of cost savings, time efficiency, and personalized control over your vehicle's maintenance. With the right tools and knowledge, you can confidently take on this task and enjoy a smoother driving experience while saving money in the process. Tools and materials needed. Before embarking on changing your transmission fluid, ensure you have the essential tools and materials ready. Let's dive into what you'll need. Transmission fluid. When it comes to transmission fluid, it's crucial to use the right type for your vehicle. Different vehicles require different transmission fluids to function optimally. Make sure to check your vehicle's manual or consult a professional to determine the correct fluid for your specific make and model. Using the wrong type can lead to serious issues down the road. Ramps or jack stands. Safety should always be a top priority when working on your vehicle, especially when getting underneath it to access the transmission. Ramps or jack stands are essential to elevate your vehicle securely, providing enough space for you to work comfortably. Never compromise on safety. Always use proper equipment to prevent accidents and injuries. Socket set. A socket set is a must-have tool for changing transmission fluid, as it allows you to easily remove the drain plug. Depending on your vehicle, you may require specific socket sizes to fit the drain plug securely. Before starting the process, ensure you have the correct sockets on hand to avoid any delays or complications during the fluid change. By having the right tools and materials ready, you can ensure a smooth and successful transmission of fluid change. Prioritize safety, use the appropriate transmission fluid, and double-check your tools to make the process efficient and effective. Step-by-step guide to changing transmission fluid. Ensuring your vehicle's transmission stays healthy is crucial for its performance. Below is a user-friendly guide to assist you in changing the transmission fluid yourself. Step 1. Prepare the vehicle. Before anything else, safety comes first. Wear gloves and eye protection to shield yourself from potential harm. Being cautious will make the process smoother and safer. Step 2. Locate the drain plug and drain the fluid. Locating the drain plug is the initial task. Once found, have a drain pan ready to collect the old fluid. This not only keeps your work area clean but also helps in disposing of the used fluid properly. Step 3. Replace the filter if applicable. Changing the filter is key to maintaining optimal performance. The filter ensures that the fresh fluid remains clean and free from contaminants. This step is often overlooked but is crucial for the longevity of your transmission. Step 4. Refill with fresh fluid. Consult your vehicle manual for the correct type and capacity of fluid needed. Pour in the fresh fluid carefully, ensuring you fill it to the recommended level. This step is critical for the smooth operation of your transmission. By following these steps diligently, you can effectively change your transmission fluid and contribute to the overall health of your vehicle. Common mistakes to avoid. Making mistakes when changing your transmission fluid can lead to costly repairs down the line. To ensure a smooth DIY process, here are 2 common errors to steer clear of. Overfilling or underfilling the transmission. Properly maintaining the right fluid level in your transmission is crucial for its optimal performance. To avoid overfilling or underfilling, start by locating the transmission fluid dipstick. With the engine warmed up and running, shift through all the gears, then park the car on a level surface. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and then check the fluid level. Add or drain fluid gradually until it reaches the correct level indicated on the dipstick. Using the wrong type of transmission fluid. Using the incorrect type of transmission fluid can wreak havoc on your vehicle's transmission system. Each vehicle requires a specific type of transmission fluid to function correctly, so be sure to consult your owner's manual or a professional to determine the right fluid for your car. Using the wrong fluid can lead to issues such as slippage, overheating, and even complete transmission failure. Always double-check and confirm you are using the appropriate transmission fluid to protect your vehicle's longevity. Steering clear of these common mistakes will help you successfully change your transmission fluid and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Maintenance tips after changing transmission fluid. After you've successfully changed your transmission fluid, there are a few crucial maintenance tips to keep in mind to ensure the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle. Let's dive into the essential steps you should take. Monitor for leaks. One of the first things you should do after changing your transmission fluid is to monitor your vehicle for any signs of leaks. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to allow the new fluid to circulate. Then check under your vehicle for any reddish fluid dripping onto the ground. Any leaks could indicate a problem with the transmission system that needs immediate attention. Addressing leaks promptly can prevent further damage and costly repairs down the line. Transmission fluid check intervals. Routine checks of your transmission fluid are vital to keep your vehicle running smoothly. It's recommended to check your transmission fluid every month or every 3,000 miles, whichever comes first. Regular checks can help you detect any issues early on and prevent major problems with your transmission. Additionally, consider having a complete transmission fluid flush and change every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your vehicle's make and model. A proactive approach to fluid maintenance can extend the life of your transmission and keep your vehicle running at its best. By staying vigilant and following these maintenance tips, you can take better care of your vehicle's transmission system and enjoy a smoother driving experience. Remember, a little preventive maintenance can go a long way in preserving the health and performance of your vehicle's transmission. In conclusion, changing your transmission fluid yourself can be a rewarding and cost-effective task. By following the right steps and investing some time and effort, you can ensure your vehicle's transmission stays in the top condition. Regular maintenance like this not only extends the lifespan of your car but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. Remember, with the proper tools and a bit of know-how, DIY transmission fluid changes can be a breeze. So, roll up your sleeves and give it a try. Your car will thank you for it. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.